Alright team, thank you for joining today's meeting. As we know, the annual performance of the review cycle is coming up, and we're now here for assembling for a kind of a feedbacks or other reviews from our the other department heads. So we need to ensure that we address the unique challenges for these departments, and also supporting growth and development. So let's dive into the first things. How do we think the performance reviews went last year?
Last year's review wasn't bad, but there was definitely some gaps. We didn't really focus much on the technical skills that's so very important in aircraft maintenance. Also, some of our guys work odd hours, and I feel like reviews process didn't take into account the difficulties of shift work on how that affects performance.
I agree with that. In engineering, it's a bit different since a lot of our work is project-based. Last year's review didn't really show how we collaborated on a big project or how an individual contributed to a bigger picture. It also felt like there wasn't enough focus on problem-solving skills, innovation, which are critical for our work.
Yeah, and when it comes to maintenance, people don't always get the recognition they deserve. We have a lot of kinds of work that's hard to measure with the typical review forms. I think we need a better way to assess things like troubleshooting skills and reaction to emergency situations.
Personal feedback sounds like a good idea. Maybe each person can get feedback from not just their direct supervisor, but also peers they work often. That way we get a more well-rounded view of their work.
Good point. To improve our this year's interviews, how about we focus on creating tailored review process? We can have specific sections for technical skills and adaptability. Also for both departments. For example, in maintenance, how we can assess when it comes to taking activities such as taking aircrafts and other things related to our work industries, and also engineering departments. How can we assist or manage our members when it comes to for work ability? So things what we do is we could evaluate their ability and also innovate and think outside the box. What do you think about including more personal feedbacks in the process as well?
I think it's a good idea. Peer feedback would make it more comprehensive, especially for engineers working as a team. And also it may benefit or help if we set goals during the reviews. To know where the employees may lack and to compensate for them.
I like that idea. It's important that we support our team in improving their skills year-round, not just during the review period. Setting goals for improvement can help them focus in areas where they want to grow.
Great! I'll send out the drafts for everyone to review before they meet the next meeting, so we can make any adjustments. Then once we've agreed out, I will roll on it and out to the teams. Anything else we should cover today?
Just one thing. Maybe we can include some training opportunities in the review process so employees know where they can improve and how they can take advantage of development resources. This way, it's not just a feedback session, but a chance for people to get the support they need.
Good suggestions. I'll make sure that we add that. We'll set that there for our next meeting. Thanks for everyone for it today, and also this is going to be a difference for our team.